Hello guys, welcome back to Learning with Isha. We're talking about interspecific interactions and today we're talking about a small topic. We're talking about commensalism. What is commensalism? Well, commensalism naturally is an interaction between two species. What is happening here is one species is benefiting but the other species is neither benefiting nor it is harmed. मतलब एक के लिए तो ये interaction positive है definitely, जो पार्टनर बेनिफिट कर रहा होगा, अदर के लिए ना ही ये पॉजिटिव है ना ही ये नेगेटिव है. Such interactions are called as neutral interactions. So it is a zero. It's a neutral interaction for the other partner. The partner that is benefiting is called the commensal. And like you must have seen, what is the other partner called? Try to recall from my previous videos. Well, it's called the host. So there is a host that is harboring the commensal, that is benefiting out of this interaction. To understand this better, let's try to look at some examples. A very common example that we have all seen is of the cattle and the cattle egret. What is the cattle egret? Well, it is a bird. You must have seen a white colored bird that is often found on the back of cattle while the cattle is grazing. ये चिड़िया गाय और जो cattle होती है उनके back पे मिलती है. क्या फायदा है? What advantage is this bird deriving out of the cattle? Well, I gave you a hint, but I'm going to ask you a question now. Please try to tell me what is the commensal and what is the host. I've already given you the hint of this. Well, the cattle is the host and the cattle egret is the commensal. Okay, what advantage could this bird be getting? Well, it gets a very big advantage. While the cattle is grazing, वो चल रही होती है, क्या होता है? There are many insects that are exposed along with the grass. As the grass is uprooted, a lot of insects also come to the surface, and these insects form the food of this cattle egret bird. While the cattle has no disadvantage of this, the bird is definitely getting its free fruit. Okay, another such example is of a mango tree with an orchid plant growing on its branch. Isn't it interesting? Let's say this is a mango tree and it's its branch. यहाँ पे एक orchid का plant grow करता है. Such plants that grow on another plants instead of the soil are known as epiphytes. What are epiphytes? ऐसे पौधे जो कि सॉइल में ग्रो ना करके दूसरे प्लांट के ऊपर ग्रो करते हैं, that grow on the surface of other plants. Now take a guess on what is going to be the host and who is going to be the commensal. Well, the mango tree is the host and the orchid plant is the commensal. What advantage is the orchid getting? Well, it is getting a space to grow, right? So this is another example. Let's look at the third example now. Look at sea anemone and clownfish. This association is very interesting. Sea anemone is a creature that has many tentacles coming out of its body. These tentacles have sting cells. Naturally, why are these sting cells present? So that whenever any predator comes to attack this sea anemone, the sea anemone is going to sting it. वो उस पे हमला कर देगा using these sting cells. What is going to happen? The predator is not going to attack the sea anemone. Now this feature of the sea anemone is being very carefully utilized by this clownfish. What is this clownfish going to do? Now it knows this feature. It's going to come and live here between the tentacles of this sea anemone. What is going to happen is the sea anemone will not be affected, but this clownfish is going to derive an advantage. As the sea anemone protects itself from the predators, automatically the clownfish would also get protected. So here, who is the commensal and who is the host? The sea anemone is the host and the clownfish is the commensal. So, we saw in this video that commensalism is an interaction that benefits one partner whereas the other partner remains unaffected. Stay tuned to the channel for more such videos and consider subscribing if you're liking my video.